Let's see the same example on the previous video. So we are talking about the chart gives gives us information about the two finalists in the men's Wimbledon Championship. So and we have to find and collect data. So if we are talking about qualitative data, searching qualitative data, we can take birthplace, residence, because qualitative data that isn't numerical, so we can't count it. Okay, look here. If we are searching birth qualitative data, let's see, or let's write birthplace, or also we can take the love life because it isn't numerical. Okay, love life, etc., etc. Okay, these are qualitative data that isn't numerical. But if we are talking about quantitative data, we have height, weight, or matches, or age. There is difference between them. So when we talk about height or the weight, it is numerically we can take any value, so it is a continuous quantitative data, height or the weight. But if we are talking about the age or number of matches, it is a discrete quantitative data. Why? Because it takes a specific number, because people who can take one or two or three match, or so we are talking about a specific value. Okay, now we have these data and we have to collect data and display it. Okay, collecting data, we have to we are uh, we are collecting and organizing them with a tally chart. Of course, there are other many methods to collect and organize data, like stem and leaf plot, but in this video we are talking about tally chart. Example: people in the class were asked how to go to school. Okay, how to go to school. We have on the tally chart this method. So, method of travel: people can go to school by walking. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 people who go to school walking. Or people who go with a bike, 3, car, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, it is the tally chart, or the method of the tally chart. By bus, we have 12 people. So, total, we have 30 people on the class. Okay, so here we have collected this data, and now let's see how to display it. So, we can need a pictogram or a bar chart or a P chart. Okay, what is the pictogram? The pictogram is a diagram and with a picture. We need a picture. Example, if the picture of the boys takes to represent two people, then the pictogram looks like, let's see, by people who go to school walking, we have, if you remember, we have 9 people, but the picture represent two people, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and the half of the picture, so we have 9. By bike, we have 3. On a car, we have 3 picture, so we have 6 people. By bus, we have 12. Okay, this is the pictogram who needs a picture to represent data. Other method, we have the bar chart. Bar chart or bar graph display data visually. So data is displayed either horizontally or vertically and allows viewer to compare data. Okay, let's see. Here we have people who goes to school walking, by bus, on a car, with a bike. Okay, so we can compare them. Okay, this is the bar chart, so it is very clear here. Okay, but sometimes we need P chart. P chart is the circle. We are working on the circle. Okay, so to illustrate the data with a P chart, you need to find out what angle is equivalent to 1 people. Remember, we have 30 people, so the circle have 360 degrees, so we have to divide 360 degrees by the number of the people, 30, so we have the angle per people, 12 degrees. Okay, let's see. People who go to school walking, we have 9. So to represent or to illustrate or to find angle for work, we have 9 multiplied by 12, we have 108 degrees. And if we need to find the angle of the bike, we have 3, so we multiplied 12 or 360 over 30 multiplied by 3. People who go to school by car, we have 6, so we multiply the angle 360 by 30 multiplied by 6, and these are the angle. And how to know it is true? We have to remember that the angle of the circle is 360 degrees, and then we have the P chart with his angle. So in this angle we have people who are going by bike here, and here people going to school by bus, here people who walk, and here people who are going to school by car.